Good morning from Chile. Today is going to be an amazing day because we are going to run Blanco Sur, which is a 30-foot waterfall that has been on my bucket list for a long time now, and I can't wait to go paddle it myself. I'm still new to this whole waterfall thing, but there's no better place to learn than Blanco Sur. I'm at the top of Blanco Sur. I'm about to run it for the very first time. Definitely a little nervous. This is the biggest waterfall I've ever run. We just ran our first lap. It was a lot of fun. I'm still learning how to do waterfalls, so I went over the handlebars a little bit, but hopefully I'll fix it this next one. And it was really soft, which was nice. We just roped our boats up and we're gonna go do a second lap. They say that this is the worst part. The boys say it's the same size as the waterfall we did yesterday on the Claro. I think it's a little bit bigger. I went a little bit on my head, so I'm gonna do a second one and hopefully redeem myself. At least I'm good at tucking. Okay, I'm at the top of Blanco Sur going for round 2. Oh. Okay. Okay, and that's why I pitch it. Now we climb. How was it? It was good. Did you run it? I did it twice. Twice? I fell on my head twice. It's another day of learning how to do waterfalls. I wasn't very happy with my first lines at Blanco Sur and going a little bit over the handlebars and definitely tucking really early. So I'm hoping to go back now that I have a better idea of what I'm supposed to do and how it's supposed to feel and hopefully get some redemption. Let's go. I've tried to film this a few times. I don't really have the right words for it yet, but basically it's a little intimidating to post 3 different video clips of you falling on your face off of a 30-foot waterfall. But I put so much pressure on myself whenever I would run rivers as a kid, especially, where anytime if I rolled or I braced, I would see that as a failure and as something dangerous. And I didn't really allow myself the permission to safely learn and fail. And it would be really easy to just post the one really epic clip where I had a good line on Blanco Sur, but I think the learning process is really important. And I think seeing that not everyone gets it perfect the first time is really important. And also, I think showing that I came back to Blanco Sur and running it instead of stepping up is another thing that's really important to share. I feel like there's so much pressure to just keep going and going and progressing and pushing. And, you know, for me, I'm doing this as a way to like rediscover my love for kayaking. It was never about becoming the best or doing the hardest things. It's still not. And I just want to have fun in my kayak and do something different than freestyle, use some different muscles, see some pretty places. And so I kind of just wanted to take you guys along with me. You guys have been with me for this whole journey so far, and I just wanted to show that not everything is perfect the first try, and that's okay. Just keep going, keep practicing, keep watching videos, asking questions, and eventually you'll figure it out. I still think I have a long ways to go for waterfalls and to feel more comfortable on bigger waterfalls, but for now I'm pretty happy with my first start at 30 footers and look forward to doing more waterfalls in that range in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. See you on the river.